How we doing, everyone? We are back again. This time we got another 2 tickets. We got 2 of the $20 215 million cash explosion tickets from the Arizona Lottery here. Now on these ones, we have the overall odds are going to be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes there on screen range from $20 all the way up to the top prize of 2.5 million. Let's go ahead and turn these over. We have tickets number 8 and 9 here. We're going to get started on ticket number 8. If you guys haven't seen me do these before, we are looking to reveal that bag symbol there to win 100 instantly, or the 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. Let's go ahead and get into it and get ourselves some wins here. We are starting out on ticket number 8. And our winning numbers are going to be 17, 25, 32, 43, 48, 36, 13. Hey, look at that. We're starting it off with a win. We got a match on 13 right off the bat there. Let's see if we can continue on and get anything else here. A lucky 44, not today. 12, 50, 3, 15, 41, 37, 1, 26, 5. We got another 13 there. We got 2 13s so far. 28, 24, 33, 14. Hey, we got a match on 25 as well. 39, 19, 11, 6, 18, 35, 49, and 45. Alright guys, we got 3 matches here. We got 2 13s and the 25. I think we will start it out with the first 13 there and see if we can't get ourselves something good. Hey, we got $10. Another $10. We got 20 back so far. Another $10. Alright guys, we got $30 back so far. We spent a total of 40. We need this ticket to be a win and we will be in the profit. And this is ticket number 9. 36, 34, 15, 27, 38, 43, and 45. 18. Lucky 44, not on this one. 7, 5, 17. Let's see if we can get it back to back. 49, 10, 26, 23, 47. 28, 40, 3, 9, 24, 32, 13, 39, 14, 30, 41, 12, 33, 11, and 6. Alright guys, that was ticket number 9. It appears to be a loser. We won $30 back out of our 40 we spent. If you guys would, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Give me a comment down below. Let me know if I missed anything. And we will see you guys on the next one. Have a good night, everyone.